is like a hurricane here in Duckburg. Race cars, lasers, aeroplanes. It's a duck blur. Might solve a mystery.
European finals in the last decade. One of the games football fans are most looking forward to. Arsenal women's football team. Arsenal men's football team. Lamine Yamal, is that you?
This is what victory feels like. Yes!